Imagine for a moment that life is not a linear journey with a clear beginning and end, but more akin to an ever-evolving symphony. Each note and melody is crucial, not because it brings us closer to the end, but because it is part of the music itself. We've been conditioned to think of life as a series of milestones we must reach: graduation, career success, marriage, retirement. But what if this perspective is limiting? What if life's true essence is not found in these arbitrary checkpoints, but in the moments we experience along the way? The point of a symphony isn't to reach the end of the piece. The point is the music itself, the dancing, the playing. In life, as in music, we don't make the end of the composition the point of the music. We don't dance to arrive at a particular spot on the floor. The purpose of dancing is the dance. Being alive is about embracing each moment with a sense of play. It's about diving into the present with curiosity and wonder. When we stop viewing life as a series of tasks to be completed and start seeing it as an ever-unfolding adventure, we unlock a profound sense of freedom. But we complicate it. We set up a system where we're always striving, always achieving. It's as if we've forgotten how to play. We're caught in the trap of productivity, constantly measuring our worth by our accomplishments. We've made life a race to get somewhere, to achieve something, to earn our worth. But here's the truth: the meaning of life is just to be alive. You're not a puppet being pushed around. You're not some cog in a machine. You're a marvel of the universe, a unique expression of it. And the universe plays. It dances through the stars, it sings through the birds, and it experiences itself through you. To understand life as play is to be free. You don't become a better person by trying to be one. You become better by realizing you're already whole. When you see life as a playground, you stop taking yourself too seriously. You give yourself permission to make mistakes, to laugh, to explore without fear of failure. Play is the essence of our being. It's how we explore, connect, and rediscover the wonder of existence. Think about children building castles in the sand. They pour themselves into the act of creation, knowing it's temporary. But that's what makes it beautiful. Life, too, is fleeting. And its impermanence is its magic. When we embrace life as play, we see it not as a struggle, but as a gift. Each moment becomes an opportunity to dance with the unknown, to laugh in the face of uncertainty. We realize that we don't need to have all the answers. We can simply enjoy the journey. The universe itself is playing, a grand symphony of stars, galaxies, and life, endlessly creating, dissolving, and recreating. And you are not separate from this play. You are part of it, inseparable from its rhythm, its melody. So let the music of life play through you, dance to its rhythm, laugh with it. And when you're tired, rest. This is your life. Remember, the only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. In our quest for meaning and purpose, we often overlook the simple joys that life offers us every day. We get so caught up in our goals and ambitions that we forget to appreciate the present moment. But when we see life as play, we begin to notice the beauty in the mundane, the extraordinary in the ordinary. Take a moment to savor the taste of your morning coffee, to feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, to listen to the laughter of a child. These small moments are the building blocks of a joyful life. They remind us that we don't need to be constantly achieving to be happy. Life is a dance, and we are the dancers. We don't need to worry about the steps or the rhythm. We just need to let go and move with the music. When we do, we find that life flows effortlessly, and we experience a sense of ease and grace. The aim of life is to live, and to live means to be aware, joyously, drunkenly, serenely, divinely aware. It means being fully present in each moment, embracing the highs and lows, the joys and sorrows. It means recognizing that life is not a problem to be solved, but an experience to be had. In conclusion, to see life as play is to unlock a deeper, more fulfilling existence. It's to recognize that we are not just passive observers in this cosmic game, but active participants. It's to understand that the purpose of life is not to reach the end, but to enjoy the journey. So let's embrace the dance and remember that life is a gift to be celebrated, not a task to be completed.